यार एक बात बताओ, अगर पाकिस्तानी माँ ने कहा उठो नाश्ता करो और तुमने ना उठे, तो क्या होता? Probably a flying chapel, right? Or that death stare that could curdle milk. We've all been there, fam. और अमेरिकन माँ अगर कहे, sweetie, wake up whenever you're ready, तो फर्क तो साफ है भाई. Like, wah, hold up. Two different universes, am I right? One involves potential ninjutsu with household items, the other involves, well, options. It's wild. What is up, everybody? It's your girl A's Disa, back at it again. And today, oh boy, do I have a treat for you. We are diving headfirst into the hilarious, sometimes confusing but always entertaining world of family dynamics. Specifically, we're putting Pakistani families and American families side by side in a comedy battle royale. आज हम लाए हैं आपके लिए कुछ रैंडम मगर जबरदस्त फैमिली लतीफे पाकिस्तानी और अमेरिकन फैमिलीज के बारे में। तैयार हो जाओ, क्योंकि आज हंसी रोकना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। Trust me, you're gonna need to buckle up. Maybe grab a glass of water, because the LOLs are about to be non-stop. We're talking about everything from how moms show love, to how dads react to, well, everything, to the kind of logic only a grandma could come up with. It's all fair game. Whether you grew up with beta, par hai karo, or honey, follow your dreams. There's something in here for everyone to relate to, laugh at, and maybe even shed a tear of nostalgic laughter. So get your popcorn ready, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future craziness, and let's get this cultural comedy fest started. This is gonna be epic. I can feel it in my desi bones. Alright, first up, let's talk about mom love, specifically the Pakistani edition. You know what I'm talking about. It's 40 degrees Celsius outside, the sun is blazing, you're sweating buckets just by existing. And what does your Pakistani mom say?
Beta, kamalalo iska hawa lag jayegi.
Like, mom, are you serious? I'm pretty sure the real danger here is heat stroke, not a rogue gust of conditioned air. But no, in her world, the hawa is a silent, invisible ninja assassin, and only a thick blanket, preferably one made for Arctic expeditions, can save you. It's a love language, I guess? A very, very warm love language. Next up, dad's anger. Specifically, the Pakistani dad edition, which often revolves around the mythical money tree. You ask for something, anything, that costs more than, say, a pack of gum, and you're met with the classic.
पीछे दारक पे उगते हैं क्या?
And just like that, with those 6 magic words, your dreams of new sneakers, a video game, or even just existing peacefully, are crushed. You don't even need a follow-up sentence. The tone, the narrowed eyes, the slight twitch in his left eyebrow, it all screams, shopping trip canceled. Forever. It's a universal dad thing, I think, but Pakistani dads have elevated it to an Olympic sport. The sheer disbelief in their voice that you, their offspring, would dare to assume that currency sprouts from foliage in the backyard. It's almost like you've personally insulted their entire financial strategy. Oh man, let's talk about Dadi logic. Grandmas, bless their hearts, operate on a level of wisdom that is unique, especially Pakistani Dadimas when it comes to modern technology, and of course the all-important marriage proposal. The classic line,
Itna mobile dekhoge na, to chashma lag jayega aur rishtaye ruk jayenge.
like, whoa, Dadi, that escalated quickly. From slightly blurry vision to a lifetime of solitude, all because I scrolled through Instagram for 10 minutes? It's the conviction with which they deliver these pronouncements that gets me every time. Chapter 4, Nuram Mazaj Ma, American Mom's Grounding with Perks. Alright, let's flip the script and talk about the American mom, particularly the soft-touch stereotype when it comes to discipline. Picture this, kid messes up, big time. The American mom, with a calm, almost therapeutic voice says, "Honey, you're grounded. But of course, you can still use your phone, and your laptop for homework, naturally. And the TV is fine, just no R-rated movies. Oh, and your friends can come over. Just keep it down." Chapter 5, Konika Wak, American Dinner Gluten-Free Vegan Burger Quest. Dinner time. In a stereotypical American household, especially one that's, let's say, the dinner announcement can be an adventure. Dad walks in, all proud. "Guess what, family? Tonight we're having my famous gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, air-free, fun-free, vegan burgers." and the kids, bless their hearts, try to muster up some enthusiasm. Yay! But their eyes are screaming, just give me a normal burger, for the love of all that is holy and contains actual bread. It's a whole mood. The dedication to dietary restrictions and wellness trends can be intense. Chapter 6. Azadi Ka Matlab. American Kid Road Trips Me from Cali. Let's talk about freedom, specifically the kind American kids seem to have in movies and, well, sometimes in real life. Picture this, American teenager, barely old enough to drive, walks up to their dad. Dad, I'm thinking of going on a cross-country road trip with my friends. We'll probably hit up like 10 states. Be back in a few weeks. Chapter 7. Okay, culture shock time. Let's plant a Pakistani kid in a typical American household for a week. Day 1. The kid is probably thinking, Yar, yay, log dun tehinahin. Man, these people don't scold at all. It's an eerie calm. They leave their shoes in the living room. No auntie appears out of nowhere with a laser-guided glare. They talk back, politely of course. They get a. Now let's flip it. American kid dropped into a bustling Pakistani household. First reaction, wait, are all these people related to you? Why are there like 12 cousins, 3 aunts, 2 uncles, and a random neighbor auntie all living in the same house? Or at least, always the house. The concept of a joint family system, or even just a very, very close-knit extended family that's always around, can be a total mind-bender. Personal space? What's that? Is it a new type of spice? Then comes the language. Not just Urdu or Punjabi, but the terms of endearment. Everyone, and I mean everyone, starts calling the American kid beta. So, what have we learned from this epic cross-cultural family deep dive? We've seen the Pakistani mom's thermal blanket in a heatwave love, the dad's legendary money tree speech, and Dadi's tech-induced rishta phobia. Then, we hopped over to the American side, with the grounded but not really mom, the dad serving up artisanal vegan burgers, and the almost unbelievable freedom of a text me when you reach California road trip. It's a wild ride, full of contrasts and head-scratching moments, right? Host चाहे पाकिस्तानी माँ हो या अमेरिकन डीड, हर फैमिली का अपना अंदाज होता है, लेकिन एक चीज हर जगह कॉमन है, कॉमेडी लाजमी होती है. Whether it's a Pakistani mom or an American dad, every family has its own style, but one thing is common everywhere: comedy is essential. Seriously, think about it. The quirks, the misunderstandings, the slightly irrational rules, the over-the-top reactions. That's where the gold is. That's the stuff we laugh about for years. At the end of the day, family is family. And just when you thought it was safe to pick up your phone again, just when you thought the great Chashma versus Rishta debate of the century was over, we have an update. Our sources on the inside, okay, it's my cousin who just visited Dadi, confirm that the battle rages on. Dadi is apparently still telling all the grandkids, Dekha, I told you, uska chashma lag gaya, ab dekho rishta kaise aayega. See, I told you. She started wearing glasses, now see how any marriage proposals will come. She's relentless, folks. You could present her with a happily married, glasses-wearing CEO of a Fortune 500 company, and Dadi would probably whisper, Han, lekin agar chashma na hota, to shayad Prime Minister se rishta ata. Yes, but if they didn't wear glasses, maybe a proposal from a Prime Minister would have come. Alright, my amazing people. That is a wrap on our Pakistani versus American family joke fest. I don't know about you, but my cheeks hurt from laughing. We've navigated the treacherous waters of mom logic, dad finances, and grandma prophecies, and hopefully, we've all come out the other side with a newfound appreciation for the beautiful chaos that is family. From kambal or lo, to gluten-free everything. It's clear that no matter where you are in the world, families are a unique blend of love, madness, and pure, unadulterated comedy. Host मज़ाहिया अंदाज में. अगर आपको भी ये वीडियो पसंद आई और अपनी फैमिली की याद आ गई, तो लाइक करो. कमेंट में अपने घर का सबसे मज़ाहिया लम्हा शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो, वरना पाकिस्तानी माँ बैलेट ले आएंगी. Lily mimes dodging a belt, then winks. Seriously though, hit all the buttons. Your engagement means the world to me and helps me create more of this content that hopefully brings a smile to your face. And I genuinely want to hear your stories. What's the funniest thing that's ever happened in your family? Spill the tea in the comments.